This hidden gem belongs on your bucket list. Crete, Greece's unspoiled treasure. Imagine stepping onto wild, untouched beaches with crystal-clear waters, the scent of olive groves in the air. Did you know Crete is home to Europe's oldest civilization, the Minoans? Dive into ancient history at the stunning ruins of Knossos. Craving adventure? The Samaria Gorge hike offers sweeping canyon views and serene landscapes. Foodies rejoice. Crete is a culinary haven. Nothing beats the local Dakos salad or fresh seafood served in charming seaside tavernas. And when the sun sets, this island evolves. Think vibrant festivals filled with music and joyful dancing under the stars. Crete isn't just a place, it's an experience of a lifetime. So, what are we packing next? Let's hear your dream destination in the comments. Join Destination Travel and hit subscribe today. Let's roam the world together.